Hi guys, welcome to the Smart Thread plugin. In this video I wanted to run over the basic commands, and in future videos I'll show you the more advanced commands for more advanced users. You can see the new command here is thread control normal. What this will do is it'll loop the amount of times you say with the maximum threads and run your define within a thread. So I'll just run through how this works. So the define I want to run is basic setup, which is that one. I want it to loop 5 times with a maximum of 5 threads, and I don't want it to use proxies. What you have part of the plugin is a internal proxy controller. You don't have to use it, you can use your normal way of doing proxies, but we'll run through that later on. So here's my define. Now you'd have your code in here, for your threading code as you would normally. What you must have is one input parameter when under this setup, and what that does, it passes the row number, so you can call that whatever you want, call it row, it doesn't matter, it just has to be the very first parameter. So if we run this now, you can see it's maximum 3 threads and it's ran through there. Incredibly simple. Let me just show you how the row passes. So as you can see, the row numbers are being passed through there, 0 to 4, 5 in total. And what you can use that for is you can call list items as you usually would from in here using the row number. I'll show you the basic setup with proxies. So you can now add your own thread control, add proxies. You can just put a list in here. For these are the example. I've just listed the proxies. I'm not going to go over this command too much. You've got example, and I'll cover it later. You've got more options here. For basic setup, this will do. What the internal proxy controller does is it'll loop through your proxies. When it gets to the end, it'll start at the front, assigning each one to a thread. So as we've set up before, the row numbers first. Because we've selected proxies, the second parameter input is a proxy. Now you don't have to call it that, you can call it whatever you want, but for the example I have, it just has to be the second parameter for proxies. The first one is always the row, and that's only if your proxies are enabled. So all I'm doing now is I'm launching a new browser, alerting the proxy and waiting 1 second. What you do is you put your code here, you have the proxy come in and do whatever you like with it. So if I run that now, you see the proxies are being passed in and it's looped through them all, and the first 2 it's done twice because we wanted to loop 5 times and there's 3 in the table. It's that simple, that easy to turn your bots now into thread control. In future videos I'll go over some more of the advanced commands. Thank you.